Hi, Prajakta.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. This is Aruna from Quality Department, Prajakta.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a feedback interview. First of all, congrats for your placement, Prajakta.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce about yourself?
Sure, ma'am. My name is Prajakta Sanju Karbari. Basically, I'm from Bidar. Currently, I'm pursuing CATCM course in CMTI Institute. I completed my schooling in at my native place. I have completed my PUC in Maharashtra. After that, I have completed my bachelor's in civil engineering in Government Engineering College Raichur from Belgavi University, and now I'm studying in CMTI Institute. I got here placed for Cutlass Store. That's
Okay. Then, how did you get to know CMTI?
after completion of graduation. One of my friend informed me about CMTI Institute. This is one of the best platform for beginning career. So I thought to join it, and I then joined this institute.
Okay. Then, what and all you learned in CMTI, Prajakta? The courses, syllabus, content, and all?
Yes, ma'am. I have learned here about construction and also about interior designing. In interior, I have learned about SketchUp, Google SketchUp, AutoCAD, and also Primavera, Smartsheet, MSP, and also I have visited so many site visits in CMTI Institute. They providing both construction as well as interior knowledge.
Okay. Then, what about the trainers? How was their approach during the classes and the site visits and all?
Yeah. Trainers and staff is very good, ma'am. They behaving very friendly with all students. If any difficulty with students, they solve, and they helping all students very well. That's
Okay. Then, what about your interview process? How did you crack the interview?
yes, ma'am. For interview purpose, I learn in CMT app. One course is there for tracking interview. One course is there. I have gone through it, and it is very helpful for me. It's
Okay. Then what about CMK app? How did that help you?
CMTI app is very helpful for me for revision of my all the classes for recalling it, and it is also useful for my cracking interview purpose. And it includes all courses, means SketchUp, Cutlist, and Primera, QS. All classes are in same tab. It's very useful for me.
Okay. Then what about CMT staffs? How was their coordination?
Uh, CMTI coordination, all members are very interactive with the students. They are guiding us very well, and staff is also very good, ma'am.
What do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Prajakta?
Definitely, I will recommend this. CMTI is very best platform for beginners and to gain skills and to improve our skills. It is very helpful for us. I will recommend it, ma'am, to my juniors and freshers also.
Okay. Thank you, Prajakta. Thanks for your feedback. And
Thank you.
once again, congrats for your placement and all the best for your future. Thank you,
Thank,
Prajakta.
thank you, ma'am.